Part 3. Welcome back to my step-by-step makeup tutorials showing you how I apply each product. In this video, I'll be showing you how I apply cream blush. Now, there are quite a few ways trending right now of how to apply cream blush. I'm going to show you the way I do it. I'll kind of describe the other ways to do it if you wanted to try those out. So let me describe first. I'm going to be using my Colourpop Under Pressure Blush Sticks. It's just like this, pretty pink. So the few ways are up on your cheekbone, kind of like lifts your face if you put it back there. I kind of do an in between that and putting it right on the apples of your cheeks, which a lot of people are kind of just phasing out. They don't love that anymore. You can also do it across your face like this, just like boop, 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 boop. Gives you kind of like a sun-kissed look. And then also lower to give you a fuller face look. I don't know if people really want that, but yeah, maybe if you have like very hollow cheeks. Okay, so the way I'm gonna be doing it, I just like to put a little dot and I just kind of go up like that. So it's like apple and a little bit higher. And then I'm gonna use this Anastasia Beverly Hills A30 brush, the same one I used to contour. Just wipe it off. And I don't do circles, I just dab. So I just go like this and dab and pull back. If that makes sense? You just kind of. I don't know if this camera is picking up these colors as well as I'm seeing them with my eyeballs, but hopefully. And I'll just go up a little. Just like that. This one's super easy, super simple. This kind of gives you like a lifted, higher cheekbone look. And then with whatever's left over on the brush, I just kind of dab it over my nose. Get a little bit of that sun-kissed in. Doesn't really do much, but it makes me feel better. So yeah, I feel like this just kind of lifts your cheekbones, gives you a little bit more of like definition in your cheekbones. If you were to put it like smack dab on the apples of your cheek, it would kind of shorten your face a little bit. And then obviously if you were to like put it here, make it a little bit more full. And then the sun-kissed one's obviously beautiful, but that's a look, and I don't really pull off that look, I feel like, but a lot of people, it looks absolutely gorgeous on. So yeah, that's how I do my cream blush. I feel like this is pretty straightforward, but if you have any questions, please leave them below in the comments and click on part 4. That was 5. Part 4, if you'd like to see how I apply my liquid highlighter. I'll put the link below.